Hey y'all, today I'm making my chocolate moringa smoothie. This is a smoothie I've been having every single day. I'm loving it so much that I wanted to share it with you. Let me know in the comments below your favorite ingredients for your smoothies.
In there. Alright, so we have everything in there. And wait, one more thing we're gonna add. Time to blend.
This was so good. It was so rich and tasty. It was so delicious. You have the mild flavors of the chocolate. You can feel free to add more chocolate if you want, but I didn't want it to be overpowered because you have the sesame coming through. Oh, and then you had the flax seeds, and then you even had the shavings of the coconut just blended right into there. Oh my goodness, yo, you could even have this without the coconut and it'll be an even smoother, richer smoothie. Okay, well, it's a smoothie, so it should be smooth, right? But y'all, if you try this recipe out, please let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and also let me know if you want me to do more smoothie recipes. What else would you add to this smoothie? Let me know in the comments below.